Do you have tickets to the best party of the year? Come to Off to the Races on May 14th to support the Berkley schools. The Berkley Education Foundation has been raising funds for the Berkley schools for 21 years and continues to give generously with the support of community members like you. You can help the BEF continue to give back by attending Off to the Races. Every dollar raised supports teacher innovation grants, free elementary enrichment programs, student scholarships, and the 8th grade college tours.
Everybody should come to Off to the Races because it's a super fun event where you can get together with your friends and support Berkley Education Foundation.
Do you have your tickets to Off to the Races? This fun party includes simulated horse racing, betting on the horses, and winning prizes. Buy your tickets today.
People should come to Off the Races because it's a lot of fun and you could end up with a horse around your neck by the end of the night.
Don't forget the silent auction where you can bid on your phone and take home amazing items like a diamond and gold bracelet or an autographed Kobe Bryant poster. We're also giving away a $2,500 vacation to one lucky winner. Join us on May 14th at 6:30 p.m. and help fund the Berkley difference.